Just weeks ago, these sandbars were completely underwater, but today, they've transformed into something magical. Welcome to the hidden nursery of the giant river turtle, one of the largest freshwater turtles in the world. Every year, like clockwork, thousands of these ancient reptiles return to these riverbanks. A ritual that has gone on for millennia. The females, some weighing over 90 kilograms, that's more than a baby grand piano, haul their heavy shells out of the river and up onto the hot sand. Why? To lay eggs, of course, and they do it together by the thousands, in what scientists call a mass nesting event. Imagine a turtle traffic jam, but no one honks and everyone's carrying babies. Each mama turtle digs a deep hole with her back feet, drops in 70 to 100 eggs, then carefully buries them before slipping silently back into the river. And here's the amazing part, no one sticks around. There's no turtle daycare, no packed lunch, no goodbye hugs. These babies are on their own from the very beginning. After about 2 months, the eggs hatch, usually all at once, and boom, it's a baby turtle explosion. Tiny hatchlings no bigger than cookies race for the water, because above them, danger is everywhere. Snakes, birds, lizards, even ants are just waiting for a baby turtle buffet. In fact, out of 100 eggs, maybe 1 or 2 will survive to adulthood. That's why mama turtles lay so many eggs, to keep the species going, even against the odds. But the ones that make it, they grow into gentle giants, peaceful plant-eating swimmers that glide through the Amazon, helping balance the entire ecosystem. Giant river turtles help spread seeds, clean algae, and support river health. Think of them as the gardeners of the river, slow, steady, and seriously underrated. Today these turtles are endangered, threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and pollution. But there's hope. Communities, scientists, and even local kids are helping protect nests, clean rivers, and raise awareness. And that means the ancient ritual of the sandbars can continue for generations to come. So next time you hear about the Amazon, remember the giant river turtles, quiet guardians of the waters and true survivors of time. Thanks for watching. If you love this gentle giant, give us a like, subscribe for more wild wonders, and share this with someone who loves turtles.